Planning your next trip to London? Let's embark on an exciting virtual tour of the top 5 spots you simply can't afford to miss in this vibrant city. From grand palaces and iconic landmarks to intriguing museums and cultural hotspots, London is brimming with must-see attractions. We've handpicked 5 such gems that promise to make your London experience unforgettable. So, are you ready to explore? Buckle up as we start our journey with the 5th must-visit spot in London. Starting at number 5, immerse yourself in the rich history of the world at the British Museum. This grand institution, nestled in the heart of London, is a treasure trove of artifacts and art from all corners of the globe. Its collection, spanning over 2 million years of history, is simply unparalleled. The British Museum's galleries are filled with over 8 million works, each telling its own unique story. As you wander through the halls, you'll come across Greek sculptures, Egyptian mummies, and even the fabled Rosetta Stone. All these pieces serve as a testament to mankind's incredible journey through time. But what makes the British Museum truly special is its commitment to accessibility. Believe it or not, entry to this vast repository of human history is absolutely free. That's right, you can delve into the wonders of the past without spending a single penny. From Egyptian mummies to the Rosetta Stone, the British Museum offers a journey through the history of civilizations. Moving on to number 4, no visit to London is complete without stopping by the Buckingham Palace. This majestic beauty serves as the official residence of the Queen and is an emblem of the British monarchy's grandeur. As you approach, the palace's iconic facade, resplendent with its ornate design and golden hues, is sure to leave you in awe. But the allure of Buckingham Palace extends beyond its enchanting exterior. Step inside and you'll discover the staterooms, each a treasure trove of opulent furnishings, exquisite artworks, and intricate architectural details. These rooms, used for official state functions, offer a glimpse into the lavish lifestyle of British royalty. Of course, no mention of Buckingham Palace would be complete without the changing of the guard. This age-old tradition, where the Queen's Guard hands over responsibility to the new guard, is a spectacle of precision and pageantry that's a must-see for any visitor. Experience the grandeur of British monarchy at Buckingham Palace. Number 3 on our list, take a spin on the London Eye for panoramic views of the city. This iconic landmark is a marvel to behold. With a slow and steady rotation that completes a full circle every 30 minutes, the London Eye offers you an unhurried journey through the city's skyline. Every moment in this giant Ferris wheel is a chance to see London from a fresh angle. As you ascend to the top, the bustling city life below starts to become a beautiful tapestry of landmarks and landscapes. With the 360-degree view it offers, you can spot famous sites like the Shard, St. Paul's Cathedral, and even the Buckingham Palace if you have a keen eye. Nestled on the south bank of the River Thames, the London Eye's prime location puts it at the heart of London, making it a must-visit for anyone wanting to capture the essence of the city. See London from a new perspective on the London Eye. Landing at number 2, dive into the city's cultural scene at Covent Garden. This vibrant district is a treasure trove of arts, entertainment, and shopping. At its heart lies a bustling market, brimming with artisan goods and unique finds. Take a moment to marvel at the street performers who add a dash of whimsy and excitement to the air. Interspersed throughout Covent Garden are a plethora of independent boutiques, offering one-of-a-kind pieces that you won't find anywhere else. And when you've worked up an appetite, an array of eateries await, offering everything from quintessential British fare to international cuisine. Covent Garden isn't just a place, it's an experience. Covent Garden, where London's heart beats. Finally, at number 1, step back in time at the Tower of London. Over 1,000 years of history are etched into the ancient stones of this imposing fortress. First, we have the crown jewels, a display of opulence and power, which are still used in royal ceremonies today. Then there's the White Tower, the oldest part of the complex, standing as a testament to the enduring strength of the capital. But perhaps the most unique feature of the tower are its resident ravens. Legend has it that if they ever leave, the kingdom will fall, so their wings are clipped to ensure they stay put. Intriguing, isn't it? The Tower of London, where history comes alive. And there you have it, the top 5 places to visit in London. A city brimming with history and beauty, from the British Museum to the Tower of London. Don't miss out on these amazing sights. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the best of London. Safe travels!